In the crucible of World War I, humanity faced a torrent of violence and sacrifice. At Verdun, the French and the Germans clashed in an epic struggle. Over 350,000 French lives were lost, and the Germans 300,000. Far away on the Eastern Front, Russian General Alexei Brusilov led a relentless but indecisive attack. A staggering 1 million lives were sacrificed from June to August 1916. The relentless carnage continued. On the Somme in 1916, the British, French, and Germans endured unimaginable horrors. The British alone lost 410,000, the French 190,000, and the Germans 450,000. In April 1917, at Chemin des Dames, the French, under new command by Robert Nivelle, unleashed a terrifying barrage. 11 million shells rained down in a 10-day hellstorm, yet the attack failed, costing 118,000 lives in a mere span. As despair spread, mutinies erupted, and brutal discipline was enforced. Hundreds were executed, their lives laid waste for disobedience. Between August and November 1917, an astounding 400,000 lives were extinguished in a single assault. And on the German side, in August 1917, the unthinkable. In just 7 days, 1.5 million soldiers were transported across the Rhine with a chilling rate of 550 trains daily. These gruesome facts of World War I are a testament to the unimaginable suffering, sacrifice, and the relentless brutality of one of history's most devastating conflicts. May we never forget the horrors of the past as we strive for a more peaceful world.